Awesome. Dziękuję.
Hey, you guys are the same thing and we got the same thing.
Yeah. What is it, Nano?
No, yeah.
What'd you order?
The schnitzel.
Schnitzel.
The schnitzel.
What's a schnitzel?
So this one is called Powolność. Powolność. Which means it's slow.
Which one's closer?
Slow.
This one or the other one? Or
Same. Maybe the other one. Yeah, it's dziękuję bardzo.
so good.
I can switch with you.
I'll go.
This looks fantastic. O, dochodnik.
Yeah.
Dziękuję bardzo.
Smacznego.
Dziękuję. Dziękuję.
What is that?
This is a cold soup. It's a very popular soup. Yeah, it's one of the favorite soup.
You need that. You're gonna end up with ice water.
Yeah. No spoon? All right.
You have extra fish?
Huh? Yeah. And this is a chłodnik. It's like a cold soup, perfect for summer, mostly made of cucumber and vegan yogurt, and some chives and cilantro. So sometimes they add beets and it's kind of reddish color. This time it's just the white chłodnik, biały chłodnik. So let me check it out. I have to go and get a spoon for the moment.
That's good. I'm just not a fan of the things.
Good try.
Just give try those.
It's okay. These are all.
Just try
I
it.
don't know. Okay.
It tastes
Tzatziki.
Yeah. Very nice. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it.
You know that Greek yogurt sauce? It tastes like that. Coconut isn't strong flavor.
So the portion was so big we couldn't really finish, but we're gonna end with a vegan cheesecake. I like it. I really like it. I really like it. Yes.
Do you like it? Yes or no?
Yes. Very good.
I couldn't hear you. You like it or
Yes.
no?
Yes. Very good. Yeah.
The last
Very
one,
nice.
I like the thing of whiskey. When they make
Okay, so you guys probably wonder how much is this meal cost, and with the tip, with the 20%, 25% tip, it's in the US dollars, it's $75. $75 for this wonderful dinner for four, with one dessert and all those drinks and wine. Yeah. So the prices for food are still very attractive here in Poznań. So we are taking advantage of it. Okay, let's go. Not inside. Outside, yes. Powolność. Grandma wanna go home. Tak się zakończył chyba zakończył się dzień dzisiaj w Poznaniu.